After Wipro's serious action, so the big circular is published to all corporate companies. If you have Moonlight activity, so there are a lot of problems happening. They are not initiating background verification actually. So if you are trying to do overlapping, even though one day, there are a lot of cases, everybody expecting, so they are in notice period. However, they are try to attend the interview. If they got the opportunity, they are trying to join in the company before relieving from current organization. You need to complete your notice period. If you don't complete your notice period, Moonlight record will be created in your account, which is unsolvable problem. There is a new updates. There are big information is published to all over corporate industry. Even though small companies, even startup companies, they are trying to do the verification digitally, that but however, some of the people, they don't want to miss the opportunity, especially if they got big salary. They are trying to switch their job without relieving from current organization, or without completing their notice period. They are trying to join the new company. Please remember, even though 3 days or 1 day, if overlapping created, no one change your record, because every organization will have individual auditing purpose. Auditing process will be there, so that past date modification will not happen. Usually, the start date will not be modified. End date you can modify. However, even though if you modify something, they will verify with your organization. You can modify in your PF account, but organization will verify the end date with your previous organization, which means what is the end date reflecting their database, their system. That is the thing they will update. They will not check your PF account and respond to them. Of course, they will verify your PF account, what is the end date reflecting. They will check with your relieving letter or check with your previous employer. If both the things, both the dates are synced up, it will go positive direction. If you absconded, terminated, or fired, it will be challenged. Okay. So the simple thing, relieve properly and join properly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Take care. Bye bye.